Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Ethereum update today. So let's talk about Ethereum, which is the second needle mover for the altcoin, and the first one being Bitcoin. So Ethereum is actually up to $4,057, right? And previously, some few days ago, I was actually having all these pop-ups that, oh, Ethereum has broken and we're back above $4,000. We're trying to go up and this and that. So I ended up just opening up Ethereum, and I thought, you know what, let's actually talk a little bit about it. It's not one of my favorite coin. It used to be. It was my first love. But the thing is, altcoins are much more better. Okay, but anyways, let's get the first thing first, right? So we have this one huge pattern here. So you can actually say inverted and shoulder, rounded bottom. It looks like a rounded bottom mostly to me. But the thing is, Ethereum shows an $18,000 technical target, at least in the next bull run. So we're looking for Ethereum right now to climb up nearly 342%, and that's realistic. That's very realistic. From 4,000 to 18,000 and having that 3 to 4x gain or nearly 5x gain is a realistic, achievable target. So once upon a time, as you guys know, Bitcoin went from nearly I think $3,000 all the way to 18, and then even crossed 18 as a matter of fact, and moved up to 20,000, and then went up to $69,000. Okay, that's what Bitcoin did previously. So you're coming from right now, let's say $1,000. So your bottom was nearly 800. By the way, it's not even okay. Let's do 900. So $900 to $18,000, like 1930. So this is like 19x from that bottom, which also kind of gives me this idea that you could still have a little bit of a push higher. Who knows? But I think 18,000 is the golden number, which we have been waiting since the previous run. When this was starting, basically, we thought that Ethereum is about to cross here and then actually make it up to $18,000, which we had a little bit of a plot twist here, went down, and then finally I think this is the right time to actually move up there. And what else can I say? This whole pattern really supports that technical target to $18,000. Now, one more thing is the resistance. You have made this resistance, as you may notice. We have this one resistance line here that I've drawn, and you can see that you got a touch, rejection down, one touch here, rejection, another rejection, and a very nice good breakout for the very first time ever since 2021 November. Finally, in 2024, you've broken it. So could there be a retest? I think so. We could actually see a little bit of a move like this, come down, retest 3,600, and then finally, start to make that push to the upside. And hopefully the next target, at least in the short term, is going to be 4,700, so this is what I'm expecting. Come up to maybe 4,200, retest 3,600, then go up above, and then retest 4,600, and then slowly you do something like this, maybe come down, then go up like this, and then finally, do the wavy journey, and somewhere in 2025, you meet this target. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains. And I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe Coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really important. Thank me later.